The 2025 Ford Ranger PHEV, electrifying Europe's best-selling truck. After a tantalizing teaser campaign, Ford has unveiled something truly electrifying, the first-ever Ranger with a plug. The 2025 Ranger PHEV is set to roll into production later this year, with deliveries slated for the early months of the next. However, there's a catch for now. Ford is exclusively divulging details about the Ranger PHEV for the European market, leaving us wondering about its fate across the Atlantic. The Ranger currently reigns supreme as Europe's best-selling truck, and now, Ford is expanding its horizons by introducing a 2.3-liter plug-in hybrid powertrain to the lineup. This sophisticated system marries the might of a turbocharged four-cylinder gasoline engine with an electric motor and a compact battery pack. While precise output figures are a closely guarded secret, Ford promises that the Ranger PHEV will pack more torque than any other production Ranger in history. Although we're left in suspense regarding the power figures, we can make some educated comparisons. Take, for instance, the Ranger's 3.0-liter V6 diesel variant, which boasts an impressive 443 pound-feet of torque. As for pure horsepower, the standard 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, in its non-electrified form, generates 170 horses, given the electrified boost. It's safe to assume that the new plug-in hybrid powertrain will surpass that figure with ease. Now, let's talk range. Ford is targeting an all-electric range of up to 28 miles on a single battery charge, and for those with a taste for adventure, the Ranger PHEV retains its robust towing capability, estimated at a brake towing capacity of 7,716 pounds, aligning it with the rest of the Ranger family. Innovatively, Ford introduces the Ranger family to the ProPower onboard system, which equips the truck with power outlets in the cargo bed. This feature allows you to plug in tools and appliances directly into the truck, making it a true mobile workstation. Visually, the Ranger PHEV doesn't stray far from its combustion-powered counterparts. You'll spot the charging port discreetly located on the rear fender, along with a fresh wheel design for the 18-inch rims. And, of course, there's the PHEV badging on the side sills, subtly signaling its electrified nature. Ford is gearing up to put the new Ranger PHEV into production later this year, with the first units set to reach customers in the early months of the following year. Initially, the electrified truck will be available exclusively in the Wildtrak trim, although more grades could join the lineup in the near future. As a closing thought, the question still lingers: will there be a plug-in hybrid version of the Volkswagen Amarok? Ford's South African plant partner, only time will tell.
Can't